Their job is to continue questioning the design, the process, the making.
The Big Build is a design-build studio. We use the design-build process as a means of becoming better designers. We get our hands dirty. We engage material and personal limits. We discover the physical ramifications of a simple sketch. We make mistakes. We adapt and grow.
We really want to build consensus, and part of that is compromise.
We gotta work hard.
After several days suffering and discussion, we suddenly have a clear direction.
一开始我就想赶紧离开这个没有空调的地方，现在就看这个搭好的东西还有点舍不得。
I didn't know yet that I can do so many things with this kind of basic skills.
好难哦，现在脑子快爆炸了。就是这段时间在这个项目里面给我了很多灵感。
The design build method is not the way to build and the way to design and the way to do architecture. This is one way. This is one way that's very, very important to experience at least once in your career as a designer.
Become a maker, a designer, a builder, and shape the world around you when you become a part of the Big Build. A 6-week studio where 12 students from all over the world come together to work with a new material every year and experience the spirit of design build. Hangzhou Art Design Collaborative. Build to learn, learn to build.
I'm proud of it. Yeah, it's cool.